Midnight shadow on the boulevard, red light shining on a lonely heart. She moves slow like a whisper flame, looked at me and called my name. Black heels dancing on the neon floor, danger knocking at my door. Everybody watching in the dark, like a fire waiting for a spark. I said, girl, don't play that game, but her eyes pull me like a chain. She said, boy, you can't run from the night. Heartbeat burning under city lights, round and round like a fever dream. Nothing's ever really what it seems. Oh no, lost inside that silhouette. One touch I will never forget. Rhythm taking over my soul, and the night won't let me go. Silver smoke in the atmosphere, bassline ringing in my ear. Every step like a secret sign, pulling me across the line. Cold moon shining on her face. Ooh, I was trapped inside the chase. No escape from the velvet heat. Dark desire moving to the beat. Shadow dancing, bodies moving, broken hearts and midnight music. One more chance, one more lie.